Vaccination is a key tool in minimizing the damage from infections, but the exact process in which vaccination protects you from infection is an interesting topic. Today, we'll take a look into how vaccination works and how the body uses it to help in the never-ending battle between your immune system and disease. But before we dive into this topic, I have to explain exactly what kind of vaccines we're going to be talking about. Technically speaking, vaccines have existed since ancient times, in the 10th century in China. But the vaccines back then were just rubbing infectious material on someone in hopes of inoculating them. The specific vaccines I'm talking about are injections of attenuated, meaning weakened but alive, or inactivated, meaning dead or unable to reproduce species of a pathogen into the body to train the immune system. Particularly attenuated vaccines are the most widely used, as they provide a better protection against a pathogen for longer. Through administration of a vaccine, the body becomes immunized to the disease. But how exactly does this process work? Diseases are caused by pathogens, which are infectious cells or viruses which infect your body, causing a disease. Essentially, when an unrecognized entity enters the body, your cells are able to detect that a potentially dangerous pathogen has made its way inside of the body. This is because they can detect certain molecular patterns that are consistent with the dangerous infecting agents. When your cells do detect the presence of a potential pathogen, or when your cells take unsuspected damage, they call for an immune response using chemical signals to lead your immune system to the area where they can destroy the pathogen. Specifically, the innate immune system is what instantly tries to destroy the disease, throwing chemical punches at infectious agents. But in this process, the innate immune system also calls for your adaptive immune system, which offers some of the most complex solutions for killing disease. When a disease is able to dodge your innate immune responses, that's when your body calls for adaptive immunity to finish the job. The adaptive immune system takes time to learn the disease it's fighting, creating tailored responses of chemicals to take down the pathogen. Then, after it's done, your adaptive immune system is able to build an immunological memory of what chemicals are effective against the pathogen to effectively take it down anytime it crosses you again. T cells are a specific type of adaptive immune cell, which are also able to destroy any infected cells of your body by detecting the presence of chemicals produced by the pathogen. This is how your body is able to become resistant to disease through vaccination. In short, if a pathogen is too hard to kill with innate immunity, your body can be trained to recognize ways to destroy the pathogen and reuse these methods later to prevent infection. So when you are vaccinated, you're given a small amount of a pathogen for your body to train on. This doesn't always work forever, as over time your adaptive immunity may forget what chemicals can take down a disease, which is why you may need multiple vaccines for one disease over time. But, very simplified, that is the process in which vaccination functions.